Hello again, Mr. Sewich. Sorry about my last video being so short. I was in a bit of a hurry. I have quite a few classes this semester. You know the story. Anyways, I'll hop right to it. I have a little more time this time, so I'll go into detail just to further demonstrate. Again, no changes have been made to this program since I turned it in the first or the second time, and I'm just going to scroll through here to show you the code. And for the sake of time and file size, I'm going to scroll pretty quickly, so you can just pause it to look at the code and then unpause it to continue scrolling, as it were. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and stop, and then wait a second, and I'm going to scroll some more and stop, and I'm just going to keep doing that until we go through the entire code of the program. Again, it may be a bit overkill. I just want to thoroughly demonstrate that nothing is different between this code and the original code. I mean, because this is the original code. Forgot to mention, I know you wanted everything in pointer notation. I will make that change and turn in a copy of the program that has all pointer notation and no array notation. But before I do that, I just wanted to go through here and display the code for you. All right, that's the end of the main CPP. Hop down to the population class code. Include the header file, regular constructor, constructor for passing data. The set method, set method for births, the set method for deaths, the get method for birth rate, the get method for death rate, the print population function. And again, just notice if there were some type of syntax error, then it would, like any other IDE, it would show up with this. That's how syntax errors show up on this particular IDE. Population. And we're just going to hop over to the header. Got my definitions. Include. Got my class declaration. And that's it for the header. It's a very short header, but headers are pretty short in general. All right, so that's my code. Feel free to go back through it however much you need to. And here's the executable file. I can go ahead and pop this open. It's working as usual. One theory I have is that, let's see, the dialect. I don't know what dialect your computer or the computers on campus are using. The C dialect that I'm using is this one, and the C++ dialect that I'm using is listed here. So if I need to switch to one of these other dialects, feel free to let me know, or we can look into it more when we have a face-to-face appointment to really sort of dive into the issue. But again, I'm open to whatever. I think it's interesting to find out why things aren't working once they arrive at Walter State, but it'd be great to find out.